What is going on, peeps? Okay, so despite the fact that we're having a holiday today, the stock market was open. We saw a little bit of retraction, but despite the retraction, still those stocks that we've been eyeballing now for, well, since April 21st, still continue to do very well. In this case, though, cryptocurrencies took a huge drop. Well, I wouldn't say huge drop, but they're starting to recover right now, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Just a quick reminder at the end of the video, if you don't mind, please like and share the video because it helps out the channel. And if you're not a subscriber, please do so because, again, this is how I keep everything free, all right? Thank you so much, all right? Also, we have a Facebook group with the same name as the YouTube channel. There will be a link in the description. I encourage you to come join us. It is free. We talk about cryptocurrencies, gold, silver, as well as other foreign investments. I have another group called Hidden Things in Front of Your Eyes. It is more on the conspiracy side. So Nasera, Jacera, as well as 9/11, other false flag events, stuff like that. The link will be in the description as well. I encourage you to come join us. It is free. Okay, both groups are free. I know you guys like both groups, so I encourage you guys to come join us. All right, I look forward to having you there, and it's free to do so. All right, so let's get into what's happening or what happened to the stock market. Okay, because the stocks that we've been watching already filled in all the new amounts, but there was some retraction. You can see the red. Things went backwards a little bit, but we're going to take it from the top because regardless, we're still way ahead of the ball game. Look at this, DS. This is Discovery Metal, by the way. Okay, you guys, just so you can see Discovery Metal. I want to shrink this a little bit so you can see everything on the screen. On second thought, let's do it this way. I'm going to move that over there and move this over here. We can expand this back out. This way, then you can see what companies I am talking about, okay? All right, so Discovery Metals, back on April 21st, look, it was 31 cents. It's now 51 cents. That's a $6,290. Okay, let me just reword everything. So when we did this fictitious, stock watch, the hypothetical was that we would spend $10,000 on each one of these investments, and this is what our return is since April 21st. So when we bought $10,000 worth of Discovery Metals at 31 cents, right now you'd have made $6,299. That's more than a 150% increase. That's pretty damn good if you ask me. Endeavor was $1.45. It is now $1.95. Look at this, $3,448 increase. That's pretty good. Alexco, $1.48 when we first were talking about it. It's now $2.18. That's $4,729. I would say between those top three, that is not too shabby of a return on your funds, if you ask me. First Majestic, $7.53, now $9.38. It's $2,456.84. A lot of you guys are saying, hey, if I did want to buy this, where should I buy them? Well, I don't know. I know Robinhood was out there. I'm leery about them because they had some problems when the market first dropped out. But if any of you guys want to share in the description another place to go and buy stocks, I would highly recommend it. Okay? Anyways, look at this. Mag Silver, $9.87. It's up to $12.71. A $2,877 increase. Silvercrest, $6.41. This is $8.59 right now. Look at that, $3,400 increase on a $10,000 investment. These are pretty good returns in just a little over a month. All right, look at this. This is the Vietnam mutual fund that I talk about. These, I'm thinking about removing mutual funds, but I just want to bring them to your attention. We shouldn't pay attention to performance because they are more long-term. But when I first was saying you should get in them, the shares were about $11.69. Right now, it's $1,565 on your initial investment. So here we go. Casinos will be opening up on June the 4th, I believe it is. So, we got the rest of this week and then into the following week. So in about 2 weeks, let's keep an eye on these Vegas casino, Vegas resort stocks because I have a feeling they're going to jump up. So MGM dropped really lower than this, but when we looked at it, it was $13.19. It's now $15.90. That's a $2,000 return on $10,000. The oil company, when I first talked about it, was $1, but when we first started talking about it as an idea to watch, it was $2.11. It's $2.74. It's now up $2,985 on your $10,000 investment. Here goes another one of those Vegas stocks that I talk about. Wynn Resorts, $70.40. It is now $78.25. It had a huge retraction earlier, but is now starting to rebound. $1,115 return. Now, cryptocurrencies took a shellacking, but I'm still up. But the point is, they took a huge drop because there's some movement with Bitcoin, and mining companies are talking about closing down because it's just too expensive to mine Bitcoin. It's having a small reaction on the market, but nonetheless, we're still ahead. XRP at the time was 18 cents. It's now over 19.5 cents. So you made what on $10,000? You made $643. Okay. Over here on XLM was 5 cents. Now it's 6.5 cents. $2,727 increase. Ethereum, which is my favorite, 173.41 when I was buying them. Now 205.91. That's $1,874 increase. Here we go. Precious metals, 1706. Now 19.99. You're up $1,717. This is the one cryptocurrency that took a but still up since we talked about it. It was at $6,880. It is now at $8,927. Still up almost $3,000 since just a little over a month ago. I'd say it's pretty good for about 5 weeks worth of return. Perth Mint. Man, this one here is a creeper. It's up 1730. We're up what? $285 for the month so far. Now here's the big one, man. This one right here was a suggestion from Nathan himself. Okay, so Nathan made this, and back on our 21st, we looked at it. It was $63.70. It is now at $125. Man, look at it. I think next to this at Discovery Metals, they're the two biggest gainers. This is $5,737 if you dump $10,000 into it back on April 21st. Man, it's 150%. Man, that's pretty good. All right. Las Vegas Sands, $40.72. It's now at $46.90. $1,500 increase. Malco, look at this, $13.80. It's at $14.31. It's only $369. And here is the ETFs. These are mutual funds for Malaysia, Philippines, and Thailand. So all in all, your $220,000 investment for all those stocks would have returned you $50,357, which is a 23% gain. That's down 1% from where we were on Friday. Okay? It's still really, really good. I would highly recommend that everybody keep an eye on gold and silver. They are tending to creep up a little bit. And once I think you see gold, I have a feeling within the next couple of weeks is going to be reaching or approaching $1,800. If it goes over $1,800, that should be very, very interesting. But what I could tell you is this: if it somehow reaches $1,900, that is going to open up a serious floodgates as people will lose confidence in the dollar and rush to precious metals. That is a give me. So now's the time to start stacking silver. These values for gold and silver are still way lower than what the actual values are. But people keep asking me where I buy my silver from. I buy it from my local stores first because you don't pay very much over spot price. As a matter of fact, most places for silver, if spot is $17.62, they'll sell it to me for $18.62. Whereas if I go on to someplace like AmpMex, where I buy mine, it's MPMEX, AmpMex, they'll charge you about $5 above spot. Okay? So that would be about $22 for that same 1 ounce of silver. All right, you guys, so that's where we are. It's looking pretty good. I would say that's a pretty good, for the ones I've chosen, I would say they're a pretty good selection, considering the fact that I'm an amateur at this and I just use common sense. But nonetheless, they are where they are. We are kicking Tookus. Again, a quick reminder, if you have not yet, come join us over here on Facebook, Pimpy's Investment Chat. It's free to join. There's a lot of chatter in here. And for those of you who are not aware, I reached the 13,000 subscriber plateau. So thank you for that. I appreciate that. I really didn't think that my channel would grow to the size that it is. And I know I couldn't do it without you. So again, I'm grateful for that. Just please understand that. So thank you, everybody. I appreciate your time. You have a good one. Catch you on the next one.